I don't know about you, but I suppose in a lot of the things that I've grown up with, the thoughts that I've grown up with, that I've been surrounded with at times, especially for somebody of Haitian origin, is the fact that a lot of people were disappointed of the fact that they were born into Haiti or born with Haitian roots. They would have rather have been American or that they might have been Italian. I remember as a child, don't ask me why I ever did this, but I had convinced my whole entire class that I was an international baby. But then they couldn't do anything for her in Italy while I was still in the process of being born. So they took her to France and it didn't work in France. So they took her to Spain. It didn't work in Spain. So they took her literally all over the world. I told these kids that I was, because my mom was in all these different countries while I was in the process of being born, that I was basically considered an international baby. So how about you? How did you grow up? What are your, like, what's your perspective on like nationalities and family and stuff?